Hello again, this is Pat Healy with another special video featuring our new Viking 64. Today we have more fascinating details about our advanced construction and build processes.
Light RTM is a light resin transfer process, and what you're effectively doing is you have two hatch or two mold surfaces and you bring them together with dry material inside. You're able to have gel coat on both surfaces. The surfaces are finished to a smooth finish, and when you inject the resin into the part, you pull the molds off the part, you actually have a mold surface on each side. You have a finished surface, one side shiny, the other side shiny. Gives us a finish that we think is above and beyond what most of the boat builders out there are going to accomplish. One of the other materials that's really taken hold in the boat building industry and here at Viking is the increased use of methacrylates and adhesives. Most people in the boat building industry know what 5200 is, urethanes, and what silicones are as glues, but as the methacrylate world and the high bond adhesives have really improved through the years, we started to incorporate a lot more of that. It's just a matter of using the right adhesives in the right place. We use specifically designed adhesive to install our engine, what we call a saddle, which is our engine foundation, onto the stringer itself. We use adhesives in conjunction with mechanical fasteners. We use adhesives alone, and we've also used adhesives in places where fiberglass work is too difficult to actually do, and it's a quicker process for you to be able to bond two parts together, knowing that they're going to stay together, knowing that you have the good bond that you really want to have. The hull to deck joint is basically where the deck house of the boat and the shear of the hull come together. At Viking, we use a section hull joint as opposed to a shoebox. We have a T flange that's created between the deck and the hull. We then go along that entire length of the flange, and we provide a mechanical fastener about every 3 to 6 inches, depending on where within the process it is. We then come back on the inside of that, and through the entire boat, we glass the two surfaces together. I personally think that it's a better joint. I think that the structure comes from the profile, and it's one of those areas where through the years, we've proven time and time again that it's a very durable, reliable joint. Every time we build a new model, we look at everything that we've done historically. We've looked at the materials that we've used in the past. We've looked at the processes that we've done in the past. And we've really looked at each one and said, where will this, or how does this best affect the new boat? How does this affect the design? How can we be beneficial from the design? Boat building is a continuously improving, evolving process. You can never sit still. Every new model is basically looked at as needing to be faster, needing to be lighter, needing to be better. We are always looking at each model as a stepping stone to the next also.
Thank you for watching as we continue to tell the story of our new Viking 64. In our next segment, we're going to highlight the boat's accommodation and interior design.